Hey everybody, long time no see. It's your girl K Brittany, and today I'm gonna show you how I get my quick makeup beat. So let's get into it. First, I like to start out with some under eye patches just to help get rid of these under eye bags that I tend to get. And then I'm going in with a primer, and the primer that I'm using is by Black Radiance. Foundation, I like to go in with Maybelline Fit Me, and I put way too much on my pan. I just take my finger and dab that all over. And then I like to take this e.l.f. brush, it's the Complexion Duo, and I just bop 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 all over. And when I say quick makeup beat, a lot of it has to do with my speed because I've been doing my makeup for like a really long time. So I'm not necessarily skipping a whole lot of steps. Skipping a little bit, but not all of them. As to where I would use two concealers, I'm only going to use one, and that's a Black Radiance concealer. And I just dab. Dab, dab, dab. Going back in with this brush. Now with this, you have to move fast because this concealer will dry in a quickness. Like once it's set, it's set. The nose, Cupid's bow, chinny chin chin, right on the nose. And then conceal the brow. Because this is my quick beat, I like to go in with Patrick Starr's Until Dawn by One Size. For powder, I'm using Black Radiance once again. I'm taking this brush and dab, dab, dab. And I'm dabbing wherever I have the concealer placed. To set the rest of my face, we're using the good old faithful Laura Mercier. Don't forget the neck. For contour, using Black Radiance again. Also, I know I need to clean my makeup brushes, y'all. I didn't have time to clean them today, but I wanted to really like film a little video. I promise next time they'll be clean. Oh my god. And for the quick beats, I like to use more so of the darker shade, the contour color in the palette, because I'm not using a cream contour. So this just helps enhance it. And for blush, we have the beautiful J Beauty, and we're using these two. Boom, boom. Mostly, actually no, we're just gonna use like the super pink one because that's the one I really love anyways. I know I'm gonna hit pan on this, and I am sad about it because unfortunately J Beauty has gone out of business, and I use so many of her products. And it was just really nice supporting a woman-owned business, and a small-owned business at that. Okay, put on the blush. Now I'm going with the brush that I used to set my under eye to help get rid of that line of demarcation. Boom, take that under there. Yikes, we got more Black Radiance, their baked bronzer. This bronzer just, it's perfect for me. The first time I tried it was when I got booked for one of their beauty campaigns, and the makeup artist on set used it on me, and I was like, what product are you using? And he said it was this one. Been obsessed ever since. What's next? It's brow time. Let me zoom in for you right there. Okay, let me hunch over. Oh my gosh, my brow product just, wowzers. I have to take a really light hand with this product, but now it has to be super light because of how much it was leaking. These are the brows. I'm gonna put some powder on them and blend it out a little bit. I ended up brushing some concealer under my eye just to make it a bit more like defined. But now I'm gonna go back in with that contour kit, and I'm using the Sculpt shade in the palette to do like a little bit of eyeshadow. You know, it's just something simple, something cute. Very demurtsy. I'm using that same shade, and I'm contouring my nose. And I'm taking the darker shade under the eye. I'm gonna use some of that highlight shade that's in the LEJ Beauty palette and pop that in the inner corner, just so I could have a little something going on, because just because it's a quick makeup beat doesn't mean it has to be like too boring. You could do a little something. I'm gonna pop it on the nose as well. It's more popping in my house. For my favorite part, the lips. I'm using a brown lip liner. Oh my gosh, you guys can't even see me. My bad. Going in with YSL. It's candy gloss just because my lips are crusty dusty. I love this for my lips. Now I could blend it out and just keep it right here, but we're not going to do that. Using LEJ Beauty in Cappuccino. And dab it with my finger. Using Black Radiance once again. In this shade Sweet Pepper in their lip lacquer. Time for the mascara. And I'm using this mascara. It's by L'Oreal, I think. It's their telescopic mascara that I clearly am in love with. And it's extremely waterproof, okay? A lot of mascaras say they're waterproof, but this is waterproof for reals. And sometimes I don't like wearing it because it's gonna be a hassle to get off after. It is time. Now it's time for setting spray. We're using e.l.f. the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Pretty. Let me get my fan. Don't forget to clean off your nose ring. For the last and final step, using e.l.f. eyeliner, I'm filling in my mole.
Right there, the other one that's right here.
And gotta do a little cat eye. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I did my hair off camera. Well, off camera-ish. I did my hair on IG Live. So if y'all want to check that out, click the link right over here. Anywho, thank you so much for watching this random video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and see you next week.